Shorty actually swing off on you with a knife?
Oh, you got something to show.
We have the scar. Rascal, I'm not going to this drama there. Where's the last drama this teacher?
Last drama. Teacher.
Alright. This is the last drama. This is the last drama.
Obviously with
This is the last drama. Rascal. They are me hard and Narbrook. Them days say, nah, behave myself. I go and be a fuckery. Bring one brown in my yard.
Kartel of a type.
Yeah. Bring a brown in, me. No, but don't like you.
We'll find you a long time.
Only because me love you. Anyway.
At that time, love Harry.
Anyway. You mix up.
You just need for
Anyway, Daddy and Shawty, a short as she's, me have some tall wall in her book. She jumped them like she a ninja. Flick over.
As a bad girl.
As a bad girl. Boom. Drop there. Drape up girl, big warrior gwaan. Me going, part the fight. Mash up Sean Storm car glass. So hear me now. Me a go on like me a gangster.
That's why you have to buy him back a car.
The girl jumping at it. Who will reach this head? Well, it depends on what TJ said. but anyway, the girl jumping at the car, Shawty run out. Big stone, mash up the car glass. Bshing, bshing. Narbrook town ghetto. Alright.
Wow.
Bro. And when me and Shawty war, you know, the next day we have to go courts. Every furniture mash up, TV, fridge, you have to buy back.
Serious.
Bro.
Yeah.
Me someone get man and fling on a big stone in her car. She just fling back 3 back in my blood clot car. So we have to go the Benz place, get by the X6, the S-Class thing. You be a fucker anyway.
You bad but me badder.
Yeah, so me and I have 2 more people, you know. Waterford and Christian Penn.
Oh my God.
But we're not a Christian friend. Anyway. So, anyway, the girl jumping at the car and Shawty run out and mash up Sean Storm driver car glass. Pishing! So me I go them, hold on, I said the blood clot there. Them time there, you know. Remember the left hand me hold, you know. So Shawty did done, broke her buckle. I don't know if it's a buckle or a high speak. But she goes and tap me. But me don't feel it. Cause you know what you your hat and yeah. So me I burn up myself so you silver to me. General, you know see you get stabbed here. Because I see you with the way. I see what I'm throw the king, you see what in the area. And chuck it out. I reached that doctor. The doctor saw me up.
the queen.
Yes, sir. I saw the song.
Did you tell the doctor what actually happened?
No, you're not in business.